This video will help you learn how to back up or restore your Basestation 3200 controller. Every controller that's connected to BaseManager gets a weekly backup without you having to do anything. If you're doing a major change to your controller or replacing controller components, it's a good idea to manually back everything up. Keep a USB drive in your truck so that you can back up every single time you need. Controllers that aren't connected to BaseManager should be backed up with a USB drive on a regular basis. There are several methods to back up or restore your controller. The first way we'll look at is backing up while you're located at the Basestation 3200 controller. Begin by turning the dial to the advanced dial position, navigate to Data Management, and then press Enter. Backup to a USB drive isn't available yet because we don't have a USB drive installed. The USB drive port on a Basestation 3200 is located on the front panel, just left of the display. After plugging in a USB drive, press Enter to backup. I can tell that my backup is complete because now I have a restore point available. When you're done, return the dial to the run position and remove the USB drive. To restore on a Basestation 3200, turn the dial to the advanced position, navigate to Data Management, and press Enter. If the USB drive is still inserted, we'll see that there's a restore point available. Navigate and highlight the correct restore point and then press Enter. We also have the option of backing up to BaseManager or restoring from BaseManager. Another option is to back up while I'm at my office away from the controller through App Manager. Begin by opening a web browser and going to baselineapps.net, then log in with your username and secure password. This time, we're not going to open BaseManager, but instead open the admin tools, so scroll down to find it. We have several options. Since I'm working on a Basestation 3200, I'll click on Manage Basestation 3200s. This brings up all the Basestation 3200s that you have in your company. Find the controller that you want to back up and then click on it. Scroll down until you find Backup Programming. Clicking on the blue Backup button starts the process, and as soon as it turns blue again, you know it's complete. To restore from BaseManager, choose from one of the multiple restore points that you have and then click Restore. Backing up your controller data is a good practice and can save you from extra work in the future.